Great Ikodo, the great supreme creator that controls both the living and the dead. Ha 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 ha. Ikodo! Ikodo! The supreme creature that penetrates the heart of the forest and build an abbot and build a castle where he controls both the living and the dead. The one that enters deep to the heart of the forest and build an abbot where he controls both the living and the dead. Man, Martha, remove your soap pad. I mean, remove your footwear. Remove some kind of smell too. So better, or else you will feel the radiation of the prison spirit of Ikodo. My son, Gratissimum. I mean, welcome to my home. Welcome to my Hoga and Casa. My son, speak. Speak at our own ears. There is absolute tranquility in the spiritual world. I mean, there is absolute in awareness in Alandimo. For spirit and Ikodo are all here to know your reason behind your adventure. The reason for your adventure to the land of semi-darkness and light. God, shut up and speak loud, for tranquility is the best terrain for the gods to hear. Speak.
I came to offer this vow to the great Ikodo, so that Ikodo will bless me as I want to go and hustle.
Ha 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 ha! My son, your request has been granted long ago, before you think of thinking to think to come. Ha 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 ha! Your journey to the city will be blessed with happiness, joy, and love to you, your family, and to us. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Great Ikodo, Inugonu, Minugonu Yamagu Jibieba. You have heard the reason why your son came here. Present your offering for great Ikodo. We bless you to have just presented the offering. So bend down and receive your blessing from Ikodo. Ikodo will ward off enemies as you travel to the city. Ikodo will bless all your business premises. Ikodo will do everything possible to ensure that you acquire all wealth that will reach your family, your community, your country, and the world at large. You will surely create a very big vacuum in the earth that when you're going to depart, because of the wealth you created in the world, people will miss you entirely. So go! Go, for you have been fortified under the supremacy of Ikodo. The great Ikodo will bless you. The great Ikodo will protect you. The great Ikodo will cater for you. The supreme God of Ikodo. All the spirits, the messengers of Ikodo, receive your offering. Receive the offering of your son. The great Ikodo. The great. Putuman, 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 pom pom. Putuman, 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 pum pum pum. Ikodo poponto. Mm.
Okramo.
Oh, mo.
The greatest servant of Ikodo.
Oh, mo.
The great supreme creator in the spirit land.
Oh, mo.
Now you go for spirit land, go fight to come back.
Close your mouth and speak for Ikodo here in tranquility. Fear not to speak to the gods, but fear the gods. For clear heart is not hurt by great Ikodo. Parole, speak for the great Ikodo is all ears.
Great one. Since past 4 years now, I've met 732 girls.
Jesus.
With the perfect shape, different figure eights, with a tender dangling breast.
But not to kukuka.
But none of them.
Wait.
Chai, great one.
Talk now. Talk or no.
I have a great problem.
Talk na nege to dogo na no.
From the first person that I met, out of the 700 and from the first person that I met to the 737 of 32 of them, none of them accept to be my Fubi.
Hi. The great Ikodo. The greatest thing to happen to a man is to fall in love to the person that loves him not.
The great one, the most humble servant of Ikodo. Tell me why. Is it because I'm not beauty?
Oh yeah, Maleta no.
Is it because I'm smelling?
Mbano.
Is it because I'm short?
Yeah.
That one I know that I'm an average man. Or is it my village people that want to use their witchcraft laptop to delete my future wife?
Oga Mbano, it's a lie.
Great one. Clear me. Do I have a spiritual wife?
Mbano no for here. The great Ikodo, the greatest thing baddest thing to happen to a man is to fall in love with somebody that loves him not. Tell me, what has been causing this calamity to this young boy for a long now? Tell me. Dear young man, do you have a Benz?
No.
Do you have a mansion?
No.
Do you have a private jet?
No.
Do you have Rolls Royce?
No.
Then, what are you doing for a living? Shut up! Wait. Esepere, you mean for past 4 years now, you have seen several women, 732 of them?
No, 732 of them.
Okay, 732 girls.
Yes.
With a physical and bombomical configuration.
Yes.
Hey, with a dangling breast. But you see, from the first to the last of them,
no one,
hey,
not even one
no
person
one
accepted
to be a woman after her own heart.
Yes.
No one accepted to conquer the cardiovascular region of your heart. No one accepted to be the woman after your CPU of your heart. No one accepted to hold the pillar of pericardium of your heart.
Yes.
Shut up there. Do you see that young boy that you meet on your way or half away or quarter way coming?
Yes. You see the problem behind. You see the person behind the problem.
That young boy was the same boy that brought this young, perspirating and vibrating smart farm, a day-old farm. Not because of what Ikodo did to him. He just wants a circle from Ikodo. He wants Ikodo to bless him in his way to hustle. He wants Ikodo to protect him. And they are here talking rubbish. Look at you. Look at you. You look at you.
But when I make money, when I settle down, when I settle down, I will settle down. When I settle down with a girl with a girl after my heart, Then I'll go and hustle. I will say to you now.
Shut up, oh.
I will say,
Shut. Close your mouth. For your alteration is an abomination to Ikodo. You have violated, you have besmirched the great integrity of Ikodo. Ikodo, take it no light with someone that have been highly engulfed in a spirit of laziness. So lie down and receive a great flow from the great Ikodo.
No,
For your
don't worry,
laziness,
I'm going.
you need to what?
I'm going.
Don't try, boy, bitch. Don't try, move away from a geometric location. Before you try it, the great Ikodo will not take it live with you.
Please now.
The
Please.
great Ikodo
Forgive,
will
I
not
won't
take it
come
live
here
with you.
again.
Now, sister.
I won't come here again.
The
Please.
great daughter of Ikodo, bring forward that cane.
Please, I
The
won't come
great
back
cane
again.
of
Please,
Ikodo.
again, I won't come here again. I won't disturb the girls again. Please, I won't come here again. I won't come here again. Please let me go.
The great
Please
cane
let
of
me go.
Ikodo.
Please
The
let me
cane
go.
that
Let me
resets
go.
the
Please,
cardiovascular
let
region.
me go.
The cane that
Please let
resets
me
the
go. Please,
psychomotric
I'm
reasoning.
begging. Please let me go.
The cane
Please
that
let me go.
resets the thought of
Please let
vagabonding
me
youth.
go. Please let me
The
go.
cane that resets
Please
the
let me
behavior
go.
of
Please
unconscious
let me
person.
go. Please let
Truth
me.
force your body to
Please
receive the
let
body
me
flow
go.
from
Please
Ikodo. For your
let me
offense,
free.
for your loss, for your
Let
fault,
me free.
you will receive 732 strokes of ha 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 ha. The great Ikodo has been fortified. The great Ikodo has been appeased. The great Ikodo, the great one. And hustle first. After you hustle and make enough money, before you go and find someone to love, no man is supposed to be a liability to his fellow man. Go! Go! Go!
Don't go yet.
What?
The great daughter of Ikodo said, you will receive another 100 stroke of cane
Oh my God.
as a bonus for going against the will of the beautiful maidens of the land.
Oh my God.
Thank you for watching Macaulay's comedy drama. Please subscribe at Macaulay Short Movies TV. This comedy is meant to entertain you and also to educate you, to teach you something. Learn how to hustle before you find soulmates or so many other things, because poverty has been spread when you do so. Millions of people are poor because they marry before they achieve their aim in life. So don't mind my dressing in that comedy. I'm just like I'm a bona fide member of Christian community.
That mind him, he is a liar. Look at this boy you are seeing here. He is a boy of high diabolic conduct.
Don't mind how she's lying. You are lying.
No, I'm not lying.
You are lying.
I'm not lying.
You are lying.
I'm not lying.
I will slap you.
Oh yeah, try am. Make I hear am. If you try am, you go hear am.
I will beat this girl.
I will beat this
I will
boy.
beat this girl.
I will
I will beat this girl.
I will beat